Ohio Travels with Chris, and I am in my hometown, sort of, where I've spent most of my life, here in Glasgow, Kentucky. Came up, or went down, because my mom was having a procedure done, but she's thankfully doing all right now. There was no blockage. I'm walking in the parking lot of the Bailey Gibson Buick GMC. So I spent a lot of time here. Turn the camera around. Yeah, spent a lot of time. I kind of worked here, kind of off the books. I'd help them out on the weekends, on Saturdays, and such like that. Alright, sorry about that. This was the kind of the used side of the parking lot. Yeah, I would help them answer phones and park cars and the like. Yeah, it's been a few hours up here till I started work up at Long John Silver's. That's kind of employee parking there. Okay, just talking to one of the gals. Probably the only one that's still here that I would know is probably Danny Gibson himself. And he's across down there. And there's the cleaners that I heard here mentioned on WCLU. There's Dale and Dale's. It's a kind of a home-style family restaurant. It's kind of cloudy. But yep. If I had brought my wallet, I would have gone over there. Got Ely Drugs. Got a health shop. Used to be a Singer sewing machine center. Let's see, and you got Bluegrass Furniture, which I haven't been in there yet. And got Mimi's Consignment right there next to Houchins, which is the IGA. They got a Dollar Mart if it's still here, which it doesn't look like it. Got Enterprise up there, and it's one of the they kind of look like Wayne Hatcher. But yep, just thought I'd kind of reminisce around the old area. Might go up this way a little bit and turn around and come back. Oh. Let's see. Picked up a can. I'll go up a little bit and turn around. I'm not in my old clothes. I go up here to the top and then turn around. Not yet. This is Lexington Drive that I'm on right now. I go up to the street over here and turn around. Hi, pup. There's a street that goes down, if I remember correctly. Yeah. I don't know if I can, but I will give it a try. I didn't bring any water or anything with me, so hopefully everything will be alright. It's coming up here on the right. If not, I'll turn around. I got those instead of regular mailboxes, I guess. Yeah, I see a street up here. Yeah, I could swear that was Wayne Hatcher, one of our friends from Cave City. I'll see if I can message him here in a minute. Or something. I'll take you along with me. I don't remember what the name of the street is. Been a little while. Doris Avenue, yeah. Oh yeah. Got a friend that lives over here or something. If she still lives over here. Lives over down here on this apartment, I think. Yeah, okay. Virginia Avenue. Yeah, that's right. Took me a few minutes. Yeah, alright. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I'm back. The street's kind of curvy here a little bit. But I had a good friend who used to live in this house down here. Looks like they've redone the roof. Probably a metal type roof. Yeah. Put in an extra shed type thing. I remember painting the shed there. Yeah, it's hanging in there though. I put a ramp Yeah, kind of dyed in blue. Yeah, she had a nice English garden there in the front yard. I helped her many hours. And that goes up and around basically to the other side of where I turned off. Yep. She had it looking nice. But now, just a regular front yard. Yeah, it's seen its better days though. Yeah, I can see her now, sitting on a stool or whatever, working on her garden. Alrighty. I will catch you later. Bye.